Hello everyone, I hope everyone is fit and healthy. Today I'm going to reveal a psychological concept that can do wonders for you. You'd be really amazed to see the results after you apply this concept, and I can tell you that almost 98% of the people don't know about it, and you do really get unfair advantage that can help you later in life. The concept is called the bystander effect. The bystander effect is a social phenomenon where individuals are less likely to help a person in need when others are present. The presence of a larger group can lead to diffusion of responsibility where each person assumes that someone else will take action. Example of this is a crowded street where people might hesitate to assess someone in trouble, assuming others will step in to help them. And in the next time you are in a crowd and you need help from someone, then don't scream to everyone for help. Rather, point out to someone in the crowd and ask them for help. So it's like as it is in marketing, that if you appeal to everyone, then you appeal to no one. You have to appeal to a specific audience. So that is in marketing, but in real life, I think that applies to if you need someone to help you in a large crowd, then point to some people and ask for help to them, and they will help you. Otherwise, no one would. Because if you don't point out to some people or a person, then everyone assumes that the other person will step to help you, when in reality, no one ever does.